Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates without a central bank or government oversight. Let's look at how it works. At its core, Bitcoin is a decentralized ledger that records transactions across a global network of computers. One defining feature is its scarcity. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. Transactions are verified by computers on the network, which then record them onto a shared digital ledger called the blockchain. Unlike government-issued fiat currency, Bitcoin is not controlled by any single entity or central authority. The number of nodes, or computers supporting the network, has grown steadily as adoption increases globally. The system relies on complex mathematics to ensure transactions are secure and cannot be reversed or counterfeited. Bitcoin is a complex topic. Always do your own research before engaging with new technologies. Thanks for watching.